And now we have Honorable DIG Dr. Maqsood Ahmed in the studio. Assalamu alaikum, sir, and congratulations for arranging such a fantastic event.
Walaikum salam, and thank you for hosting the event.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, my first question would be from you that what encouraged you, what motivated you to initiate this event or to initiate the step for arranging this fantastic event?
Uh, our teams used to go abroad for this kind of events. Like
Right.
there are certain events in Thailand and also in other Central Asian countries. So the shooters who were from SSU, they used to participate in those events. From there, they learned this technique of organizing the event, and we are doing it on the international standards. So this was a thing that if any other country can host and organize such sort of
Right.
event, why not us? Because we have so many professional teams in Pakistan from all law enforcement agencies and also the civilian categories who are the professional shooters with their own weapons, with their own shooting clubs. So we invited everyone who is in uniform or who's in not in uniform,
Right.
whoever have the skill of shooting, they can come and participate. And you see that this is the third time. This is
Yeah,
third
this is
year,
third time,
and
and it's
the
fantastic.
participation is increasing every year. And I'm really happy and surprised to see that the spirit of this defense
That's
day
truly high.
is very much prominent, and everyone is enjoying the event.
What's your impression of this competition?
Uh, this competition is basically showing off skills, which is very rare. And this skill is such a skill that everyone cannot afford it. It's not by the monetary wise, but the thrill of the excitement which this event brings. So everyone is having fun, and those professional shooters who know how to shoot, they can compete with each other and they can show their skills. And we also kept few prizes for them, whoever is the winner. So they are also.
What would you like to say regarding the women empowerment thing as we can see the women shooters here?
Yes, I always appreciate the women empowerment and the chances of their coming up for such sort of competitions. So I'm very happy that they are also one of the participants here. And by the way, let me tell you that women shooters are the better shooters. They have
I'm glad to hear that.
so the girls which are working in SSU, the commandos, and they have the same training as the boys, and once they participate in the event, they are better shooters. They have better aim, and they know the skill better than the certain boys. So I wish everyone all the best, all the girls and all the boys who are
I
participating in
think
the event.
this is the best thing about this championship that you have told us so far that women shooters are the better shooters than men. Now, what message would you like to give to the public, or would you like to do you have plans for expanding this program for future?
My message to the public, all the Pakistan community who are uh, in the field of shooting, either in uniform or either in the professional shooting clubs. The weapon is basically for your personal safety. You should have the skill of mastering it, and it's good for your own safety. If God forbid something happens, you can not only protect yourself but the
Right.
people who are around you, and in different difficult situations. This can help serving the community in a better way, either in uniform or either in the civilian category. So everyone is welcome, whoever have the shooting skill, and we will appreciate that through this platform, we can also organize the training for the newcomers, and we can
Wow.
guide them how to shoot the weapon, and also to keep the how to keep the weapon safely, and also guide them how to get the licenses made, and also keep the weapon for the safety and for the family.
So my last question from you would be, as you see that it is already raining here, so do you think that weather does it affect such championships?
For the shooting, that's fine.
Right.
They can participate, but I see that it's getting better. And even if the rain is there, so those who are professional shooters, they don't mind it. But for the people who are coming from far away places, and they are here, the rain might disturb their clothes and everything else. But logistically, we have arranged everything, and you will see that this competition will go on. We have forecast today for the rain, but
Exactly.
we are taking care of it.
Sir, my last question is that do you really think sports can build stronger tires?
Yes, the sport is bringing communities and the police together. Everyone who is participating here, they can see the skills of all the people who are in uniform, not only from the police, but also from our sister organizations who are in uniform and serving a different part of the country. We have a team from KPK who are already having difficult time fighting against terrorism,
Exactly.
and we have teams from other provinces also, and I see their motivation and their spirit. This is the spirit we celebrate, and that all the brothers and sisters, they come together under one cause to defend our nation. And this is uh, one day that we stand together and tell the world that we are ready for to defend our nation, to defend our country.
Thank you so much, Dr. Saab, for your precious time. Thank you so much.
And one
Okay.
more thing,
Yes, sir, please.
I wanted to share that this event is organized under the flag of International Police Organization, uh, which is the international organization working in different countries all over the world.
Right.
So our team, those who are participating, they're also members of International Police Organization, which is professional body of police officers, which conducts events for the betterment of professionalism, and also bringing communities together for the better safety and security among their own nations and among their own communities. So I'm thankful for them also to letting us do this event. And also I'm thankful to the government of Sindh um, and my seniors, Inspector General of Police, Additional IG, Karachi, and the Home Minister Saab, who are supporting uh, who are supporting not only the event but also they're appreciating that Sindh Police is making this effort.
Right, sir. Thank you very much. Yeah.
And last but not the least,
Sure.
all the organizers, the host, the geo super.
We are
I'm
honored.
thankful to them for bringing color to this event, and also the team who are working behind the event. Also appreciate them, and hats off to them for making this thing happen.
Right, sir.
Thank you.
But at the end, the credit, of course, goes to you. So thank you very much for being here with us in the studio. This is the IGP Security, Dr. Maqsood Ahmed. He was here with us in the studio.